Okay. Then let's look at results. How many of you have written tests last week? Last week was what, equity? Equity 2. All right. So this is your test, equity 2. The median class performance is 75, quartile 1 is 81. 70th percentile is 80, that's our passing score. So every week we pass 30% of the top candidates. These candidates are called part of a FinTree Blue list. And the idea is that every week you try and do better to hopefully reach to that FinTree Blue list. So this is your rankers for this week. We have Krish, Buttered. Krish, are you here? No. Sudarshan, Keswan, Sudarshini M. Anyone from the top 3 in the class? No. Alright, and these are the ranks after that. See if your name is here. Okay, Siddhi is from Pune. 85. Duri is here, Maria is here, Ritesh, Abhishek, Nijal, Siddhesh. Alright, those of you featuring in FinTree Blue list, can you give me a hand raise here, please? Okay, look at these faces. Genuine likh rahe ho, GPT use kar rahe ho? Genuine, okay, good. Alright, congratulations. Let's have a round of applause for these folks. Would anyone like to share how you prepared? What's your name, ma'am? Anishka, okay. Can we pass on the mic to Anishka, please? Is this your first time in the Blue list? Okay. Are you new to FinTree ecosystem?
Yes.
Okay. When did you join us?
December, I guess.
December, okay. And was this your first test?
No, third, I guess.
Third test, okay. And how are you preparing? How did you manage to score so well? How much is your score?
84.
Sorry?
84.
84, okay. Anishka Batane. Okay. How did you prepare for this week?
I am actually very scared of equity, so I did a lot of numericals.
You were scared of equity, so you did numericals.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I did ethics ka part ekdam last mein, like I left it entirely. And LM videos.
Sorry, so you started with LM videos.
Yes.
Did you also read CFA curriculum?
Yes.
You have CFA curriculum with you?
Yeah. Even I think the blue box examples cover a lot of practice problems and EOCs.
So you watched the blue box videos and EOC videos as well. Did you also practice FinTree quiz?
Some, not all.
Some of them. Did you practice questions from CFA portal?
No.
No. Yeah, how many hours are you studying every week?
2.5.
2.5 घंटा रोज?
हाँ, रोज.
2.5 घंटा रोज? Are you working somewhere?
No. Student.
Okay. Every time she's answering, it feels like she's asking me a question. Just look at her experience. Like 2.5? Okay, TK. Thank you very much for sharing and congratulations. You're doing a great job. Keep up the momentum. Anyone else who's in the list would like to share? Can I have a hand raise again, please? Okay, let's talk to the gentleman. Inko de do bajo mein samne. What is your name, sir?
Aditya.
Aditya, can you raise your hand so that online audience can also see? Let me just put you on spotlight for a minute, please. Okay. Yes, raise your hands again. Sorry, one more time. Yes. Go ahead, Aditya. Speak now.
I just did the videos, live class.
Videos, live class.
And quiz. That's it.
And quiz. And then you took the test. Did you manage to see EOC and Blue Box videos?
Yes.
Are you a full-time student?
Yeah.
कितना घंटे पढ़ते हो आप?
4 to 5 hours.
Every day? For all 7 days?
Yes.
Okay, so you're putting in about 35 hours a week. That's good. Nice. How many full-time students here? Okay. How many of you would say, let's do a poll, right? This will be fun. I'll give you ranges. How many of you feel you're putting in more than 40 hours a week in studies? 40 hours a week मतलब दिन का 6 घंटे के ऊपर पढ़ाई. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candidates, maybe out of, I don't know, 70, 80 here. How many of you are studying for between 30 to 40 hours a week? About 5 hours a day average. Okay, 3, 4 candidates. How many of you are studying between 20 to 30 hours a week? 3 hours a day type of average. Okay, between 10 and 20. Okay, how many of you, and it's okay to be honest, right? How many of you this week managed to do less than 10 hours? This week, okay. Fair enough. Just joined, feels so overwhelmed with the syllabus. So, yeah, welcome. It is what it is. I want to show one more list and then we'll have a little bit of discussion. We decided some time back that we wanted to reward not only performance on the test, because that's a single data point, but also your consistency across the time period. So we have a list called consistent performers, where we measure a number called streak. Streak is the number of consecutive tests you've written. If you miss one test, streak is broken. Of course, if you miss the test, you can reach out to support team. They will enable that in your account, but it will not be counted in your streak. So you'll be back to 0. These are the candidates who have a streak between 1 to 4. Candidates who have a streak between 5 to 12. This is where you get into habit formation zone, right? If you've done 5 consecutive tests, then you're doing good. All that you want to do is keep up the momentum. I want you to notice how big the drop ratio is from here to here, right? So which means on an average, people are able to be consistent up to 12 months, up to 12 weeks. 12 weeks is how many months? 3 months. So शुरुआत में 2-3 महीने एकदम जोश, चक दे पट्टे कुछ करके दिखाएंगे, CFA बनना है ना? And you do it for some time, and then you feel like, okay, maybe I need a little break, and very few candidates reach to this list. And then, of course, some of the candidates have migrated here, and then these candidates plan to stay in this particular list. These are the streak where you've written more than 21. Rahul Bansal has been writing 53 consecutive weekly tests. 53 is 1 year and 1 week, right? So he's been preparing for a year with us. And some people do, and in fact, that's not a bad idea to do at level 1, to prepare a little bit longer. So what's the, ultimately how do you manage all of this, right? So there's this concept called the tunnel vision. Have you heard of it? Like when you're in the tunnel, क्या दिखता है? अंधेरा और फिर सिर्फ थोड़ा सा दूर में है ना कहीं पे उजाला, right? You're not able to see anything else. You will see one thing, right? And that tunnel vision for you is our weekly test. Okay, now please don't cheat. I spoke about it yesterday. Some candidates I got to know are using GPT to write test. And then coming to me and telling me that I was featuring in the blue list, I felt very disappointed. Because you're not cheating me, you're cheating yourself. I mean, at the end of the day, it's your career, right? It's what you do in the next 4-5 years, more or less determines how you live the rest of your life. And I'm not joking. ये जो 20 से 30 वाला age है, more or less how your life is going to be for the rest of your life is already determined in this decade. So it's really up to you in terms of how do you want to live your life. And so if you really feel that कुछ करना है, कुछ अंदर से आग है, then this is the time. Very rarely you'd see people beyond this age being able to pivot and do something. There are rules, there are exceptions, right? But those are more of exceptions. The foundation is built now. Every minute, every day that you kids have now, that's worth of gold. Your choice of how do you decide to deploy that time. So it's very simple for you. Every week you have to write test. Now some weeks will give you higher targets, some weeks will give you lower targets. Like this week, what's the target? Let's look at this. This week you're writing test on LM 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 1 and 2 in the class, 3 and 4 I might do in the next class. Okay, which means I'll not be able to help you with the test, but we have videos. The number of hours of videos are only 7 hours. So it's not that difficult. 7 घंटे तो कुछ भी नहीं है, right? But some of you have come new. You want to finish level 0 before that. Level 0 is additional 20 hours. So this week, opportunity to do the whole level 0 if you have not done it yet, and then finish 7 hours of videos. Write the test. It's okay if you score 50. It does not matter. 40 भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But be honest with yourself. When you write the test, it will tell you what is it that you do not know. And then you read the solutions. We take a lot of efforts in drafting solutions. Right? So if you read FinTree solutions, हम उसमें काफी background explanation और वो सब भी देता है. So you read the solution, so you understand, okay, this is what the concept is, so next time you don't repeat that mistake. So once again, I spoke about this yesterday. I will do it one more time. Do not let this opportunity go. The reasons why you're not studying, and I get so many reasons. I don't believe that you guys have these complaints कि मेरे college में assignment submit करना था, right? And then again I ask, okay, which course, and people say BCom. Yesterday one student told me I did not come to physical class because traveling was too much. Okay, so I asked him, where do you live? He said Sadashipet. And this behavior, right, these basic work traits or your attitude towards work ethics, this will determine how you are going to be for the rest of your life. This will determine how you are going to be in your workplace. The same attitude will get replicated there. So you have an opportunity now, right? And it starts with something very small. कि रोज बैठ के पढ़ाई करना है, no matter what. And I told you yesterday, if you have a bad day, something goes wrong for one day, you're not able to study. Next day when you get up, the first thing you do is study. You do not allow yourself to have 2 consecutive bad days, because 2 days will become 3, then 4, 1 week, 1 महीना चला जाएगा. तो कुछ करो यार, मतलब क्यों, why do you not, some of you I feel so disappointed, why do you not have that आग क्यों नहीं है मतलब आप में, right? वो होना चाहिए, that you should be, you chose this for yourself, right? So you have to have that thing कि कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है, and all of you have the talent. I mean, it's honestly, it's never a question of talent. It's always the question of your work ethics. So at least this week, my expectation from you, all of you will finish those videos, practice all the quizzes, and then write the test. Are you promising me? Give me hand raise if you are. You're on camera. ठीक है. All right, I'm done. Thank you very much.